Hello over there and welcome to Randai Hobby channel. So what do we have over here? Fast, pick one. Which one do you like? We have two parts that were 3D printed. Actually, they are the same part. It is just a very simple door handle, nothing special. But what catches the eye is of course the color. One part is 3D printed in one color, but the other is like a rainbow. In this video, I will let you know how I 3D printed the two parts and techniques about 3D printing in multiple colors using only one extruder, not some fancy and expensive equipment. First, let's see the 3D printing time-lapse of the parts. The simple one-color part. This is a two different angle perspective. Now, the rainbow part. Okay, please pretend that this second color is orange, so we get a full rainbow color. I actually did not have orange color, so just go with it. Thanks. So what is going on behind the scene? Well, at each color change, the 3D printer pauses, moves to a corner and waits for the human to physically change the filament, in this case from one color to another one. After the filament change, there is a purge in order to eliminate the old color from the nozzle and to be sure that the color change is done properly. And yes, you have to physically catch the purged material when the print head returns to printing process, or else you will end up with a big, spirally blob on the side of your part. This is another change of color, from green to blue. I am using a Prusa i3 Mark III printer. Most 3D printers have similar ways of doing this. Brace for impact! Well, this hit the camera quite badly. I break cameras so you don't have to. So again, the final result. This is a door handle. Rainbow color. And those are the filaments used to print it. Rainbow! Well, except for the orange that was replaced with beige. Just get over it. Okay, so how do you actually do this? There are multiple techniques and most of them are already known by the 3D printing community. One easy way to do it, and it is quite valid for most of the slicers, it is to use the Prusa color change site. Link in the description, or just Google Prusa color change. You can use your normal slicer and generate the G-code file and then upload it on the site. Then you can add the Z height for as many color changes as you want. What this will actually do is add the G-code command M600 before the layer height on the G-code file. When the printer reaches this M600 command, it will know to execute the color change procedure. You can actually add the M600 command yourself in the G-code file, but that can be challenging, boring, and time-consuming, when the G-code file can have thousands or even millions of commands. Oops, I add too many color changes. We actually do not have the height of 15.8 mm on this part. When you're ready, you need to download the updated G-code file and use it normally. Note, this generates a new G-code file. Make sure you do not mix the old and the new one. If you have the Prusa printer and the Prusa slicer, this feature is already integrated and easy to use. On the column, where there is the representation of the Z height, choose the Z where you want the color to change and hit the plus button. Do this as many times as you want and export the G-code file normally. If you found this useful, please give a like. If you find the lack of orange color repulsive and the rainbow a disaster due to this, smash that dislike button. Either way, make sure you subscribe. There are many things coming to this channel. Let me know in the comments below if you have a particular topic that I should address next.